So all my parts finally came in. You already seen this from the 2002 Camaro, but we got some racing switches, some new coils and spark plug wires, and got a new transmission pan because the old one has a giant hole in it from what I don't know, and filter and gasket. So we're gonna get started on this. All right, so I've got an updated list here. I'll put a couple of pictures of that in there. It's pretty lengthy, a little bit more detailed. I got the radiator sitting where I want it to. I'm gonna do some welding, weld some tabs on the frame of the car so it'll sit in place. And then I found this lying around. I'm not sure what it went to or what it's for, but I'm gonna make it fit to where it holds it in place right here with a little piece of rubber and holds that radiator in place. And I think that'll be enough support. If not, we'll come back to that. So we got it in there, almost. Made this brace down here at the bottom. You can see that. I just took a piece of angle iron, cut its length, welded it to the frame, and then took another piece of angle iron, bent it in half, welded it to that, painted it, fit the radiator in there, and it fits pretty good. This is the top bracket. I'm still working on that. It's not fitting like I like it. I want it to be more OEM looking, not so ghetto. So I'm gonna play with it, do some cutting and molding on that, and see where we're at tomorrow. One last thing, I just put the electric fans in there just to see how they fit. And oh my clearance, look at that. That is close, but I don't think that's gonna work. We're gonna have to see because this will probably be in the way. So I don't know. We're gonna see.